Welcome back to Val's Kitchen. I'm always in the kitchen. Wow, Lord. So, what is on the menu for today? I'm gonna do a little regular rice and peas. Rice and peas with some fried chicken. I did a fried chicken video about 3 months ago. Guys, I don't know how the video disappeared after YouTube. I don't know what went wrong. But I'll go to the extent for asking YouTube what about the video, what them think about the video. I don't know how the video turned, fried chicken video, and it was doing fairly good enough. So anyway, today I'm gonna do a little updated fried chicken with rice and peas and a little vegetable, Then look at me like always simple and nice. So over here, come with me over here. The coconut, I seasoned my chicken already. I'm gonna show you one thing, alright? Let me show you my chicken. Chicken already seasoned. I did it off camera. Oh Lord. Alright, you can see it right here, right? So, crush some pimento seeds, garlic, onion, thyme, black pepper, some salt to taste. Yeah, I always do certain things on camera, but I have a fried chicken already long time ago. Still, but the one that I did lately, it disappeared. I don't know what happened to that. So yeah, I have my peas on the fire over there with some pimento seed, garlic, and the good stuff. And here's my coconut that I'm gonna be cutting up and grating. So yeah, man. So my coconut. I'm using my natural coconut today. Yeah. What nice little update with French fried chicken. French fried chicken with rice and peas. That's always nice, Always. I can't get tired of that. Yeah. I'm gonna cut up my coconut. It already cooks, as you can see already. I cooked it and wash it. Yes. So I'm gonna grate it or blend it. Yeah, I'm gonna blend it. Grate it, whatever. Yeah. Guys, all you want to doing, you're keeping safe and healthy. Okay. Bless upon yourself. Blessings to all. Sending blessings your way. And I saw, I said in the video when I was doing the intro, I saw a nice supporter up by Active Home Center the other day, this nice lady. She said she always watch me, and had inspired so much. Boy, I feel so good when people tell me I say I inspire them a lot. I feel so wow, it just wow me. It's so good, man. Thank you all for watching and thank you for the support. Thank you now. I show them my peas. Let me go over there and show you all my peas. You don't want always see my peas and my things. But every day new people come on the channel. So it's just fair enough that I show, don't it? So I just put all my nice lovely ingredients with my peas. So I'm going to start to cook my peas now. I have garlic, pimento seeds, scallion and thyme, and a little salt to taste. It doesn't start boiling as yet. When it starts to boil, I just throw some water in it and sink the peas. Alright, so yeah. I'm going to start blending my coconut. Remember ask you all on a line with hairstyle, the different hair color. It fits me? Yes. Yeah. Coconut here, nice. It's a nice native coconut. I didn't show you all before I box it, but it's so nice. So, I need some cold water to sink my peas. Okay, so just enough water to cook the peas. I'm going to use the coconut milk to cook my rice. Guys, did you know if you use coconut straight right through and cook your peas and your rice, it make your rice and peas soggy? Too much coconut milk is too much coconut milk. Coconut milk is good and it's bad. You have to know to use the coconut milk. Yeah, so I said I don't use coconut milk to cook my peas and then cook the rice and overpour it. Yes, so I'm gonna be preparing the breading for my chicken. Start frying up my chicken, so I'm gonna put a little thing to top up my chicken. You cannot just use the bare flour like this, you know. You want the breading when the outside of the crust to be tasty. Yes, so you have to put a little thing, just sting it up with whatever you all like. I'm using a little lemon pepper, some lemon pepper. Yes, a small amount, some black pepper, a little parsley, right, and I have to use some baking powder, yes, to get this extra crispiness. Yeah, not a lot. I'm using about a half teaspoon because I'm using about a cup of flour, right? So yeah, you cannot overpower the chicken with the baking powder. You understand? Because if you overpower the chicken with the baking powder, you're not gonna get that crispiness. You have to use the right amount of baking powder. Yeah, you have to use the right amount of baking powder. All right? Yeah. To get the chicken. Usually I would use some paprika, but I don't have any now, so it's just gonna get the natural color when it's brown. But the paprika is a nice, pretty color, but yeah. Alright. Yeah. Piece is cooked. This is tender. Tough to do them something and I use a spoon. But it's okay, cook. So I'm going to be adding my coconut milk. Let it cook for 5 minutes and then I'll wash my rice and put it. Alright, so I'm about 2.5 pounds of rice. So boil for the 5 minutes. Starts to boil, I will come back and taste. We have to taste what hot. Alright? I'm gonna start. Alright, I'm gonna some shake and bake today. Shake and bake. You hear that? Shake and bake. Shake it and fry it. The bake come from right here. No baking today. Shake it and so some pieces of chicken in a Ziploc bag. If you don't have a Ziploc bag, use a clean plastic bag. Long time I do this, you know. It's been a minute since I have shaped the fried chicken now. The oil is on the fire that it is preheated, so it's getting ready for my chicken. Alright. So, shake it again. Prevent all the hands from getting messy, you know, yes, so start putting in my chicken. Alright, so that all is heated. Shake and boxing up the excess flour. can put in another piece. Right. And one thing, I love to cover my chicken when I'm frying, so cook nicely and juicy. Okay, so I'm gonna cover it. Alright. Good. I want some rice. I need about 2 cups, 2.5 cups of rice. A little more. Alright. So this can hold as much. This rice washer will a lot. Yeah. So handy. So the coconut milk is cooked. So I'm gonna taste now. Now's the time that I have to taste for the flavor. Yeah. Alright, so let me make a small spoon. Small spoon. Alright, so all the thing it wants is just a little touch of salt to bring all the flavor together. Nothing too much. Alright, so I'm going to have a pimento seed skillet at time. Yeah, so this is it. Wow. When I'm using natural coconut milk, I don't have to use butter. Some of the times I use a little sugar to taste, just a little toots. Nothing to harm you, just a little bit, just to bring up the coconut powder flavor. Or the tin coconut flavor, that's it. But when I'm using my natural coconut milk, I don't have to do that. Wow. So now, I can put in my rice. Right then. Wow, chicken smells so awesome. Sweet. Wow. Chicken. I'm kind of cover down with pot and I do rice every time and steam and I low heat. Right? Just press the pressure cooker right here. I put on the Dutch pot cover too, you know. I'm going to use the Dutch pot cover. start frying my second batch of chicken. Okay, I'm going to be taking out my first batch. Look at it. Wow. Oh, wow. Come over here with me. If you fry a lot of chicken and you realize that too much crust is in the oil, you can easily just strain it out. Right? So I'm strain a small amount so I don't have to do that. Alrighty then. So I finished frying up my chicken. So what I'm gonna be doing now, the same season that I use. The same season that I use to season my chicken and it leave back in the pan. And I'm going to use it to make my nice sauce. Yeah. This is the way I see my mother do it. So from my start cooking, that's the way I do it. Continue the same thing. And use some of the same cooking oil. Yeah, I just put some of the cooking oil. The same oil that I use to fry my chicken. I use some that I'm going to use to make my gravy or my sauce, whatever you call it. Right? That's just having all the flavors in it. It has the garlic, the ginger, crushed pimento seeds, you know. So yes, onion, scallion, yeah, them nice things there. So it's just right for me to just use the same stock or the same whatever you call it to make up my seasoning. I'm gonna need some ketchup, you know, and a little soy sauce. Flavor my thing the right way, man. Nice it up, you know. When it starts to boil, just come and put in some of the nice things and then nice it up. Yeah, so some ketchup. Keep the stove on a low heat, you don't want it to boil. Some lemon pepper, just a small amount. A little vinegar, just a little bit. Still need some of this. Want a nice color, you know? Yeah. Taste your pot in a man, you got to taste your pot. Remember? Yeah. Like 4 seeds, grains of pimento seeds. extra. Yeah. A wee bit of black pepper. Nice. And I'm gonna cover it. Let it come to the right consistency. We want it to boil over enough. So rice and peas. Right. Don't need it anymore. Right on point. So 99% true cooking. Yeah. It's only right that I show you all my nice sauce. Look at this. Look at the consistency. Just use back the same. Just use the same season that you can flavor your season your chicken and just continue the same process with the sauce. But the taste of pot, it cannot hurt you, the taste of pot. Nice man, nice. I'm gonna share a plate and come right back, alright? My final rice and peas and fried chicken and my lettuce and tomato. Wow. Wow, so simple and nice. So yes guys, thanks again for watching. Please remember to subscribe to the channel. Subscribe. Thank you. Turn on the post notification bell so you won't miss all this lovely recipe that I've prepared. Give me a thumbs up. Thanks again for watching. Don't have to taste a little thing for sure, don't it? Yes. Wow, it's so awesome. Wow, just simple and nice as always. Thanks again for watching. See you all in the next video and bye.